Chapter 6 Rambam Laws of the New Moon Hilchos Kiddush HaChodesh Part 2. The remainder of a week cycle, the remainder of a month, is 1 day, 12 hours and 793 units. The remainder of an ordinary year is 4 days, 8 hours and 876 units. The remainder of a leap year is 5 days, 21 hours, 589 units. Adding the remainder of the lunar months to Nisan to determine the conjunction of Iyar. So if the conjunction of Nisan took place on Sunday, 17 hours from the start of the day and 107 units, the Iyar conjunction will take place on Tuesday, 5 hours from the start of the day and 900 units. A cycle of 19 years is called a machzor. Every machzor includes 12 ordinary years and 7 leap years that are the 3rd year, the 6th year, the 8th year, the 11th year, the 14th year, the 17th year, and the 19th year. So after 19 years, the solar years exceeds the lunar years only by 1 hour and 485 units. We can see how every leap year fills the gap that is caused by the solar year exceeding the ordinary lunar year. So, at the end of the 19 years cycle, there is only a small gap as mentioned. There is an interesting point to mention, which is that when the years are passing, the cycle remains are summing up into days. So for example, as will be mentioned in chapter 9, the first vernal equinox took place on the 23rd of month Adar, and when 129th cycle took place, which is including the year of 2448, which is the year of Matan Torah on Mount Sinai. In this time, the remains sum up to more than 7 days. So, the vernal equinox of each cycle starts and is already taking place in the month of Nisan. Once we know the month remain, the years and the cycle, we can begin to count from the first conjunction of the first year of creation that was on Monday, 5 hours and 204 units, so we can find out any future conjunction. Knowing the next cycle conjunction is by adding 2 days, 16 hours and 595 units to the current cycle conjunction. Knowing the next year conjunction is by adding 4 days, 8 hours and 876 units if it is an ordinary year, or 5 days, 21 hours and 589 units if it's a leap year. To the current year conjunction. Knowing the next month's conjunction is by adding 1 day, 12 hours and 793 units to the current month conjunction. Thank you.